Interaction and collaboration takes many different forms in the classroom, such as group projects, turning and talking, partner work, and other collaborative strategies. In technology-rich classrooms, collaborative learning can look very different, such as students working on a group slides presentation or responding to one another's blogs. How can we encourage collaboration both in and outside the classroom? That's when Padlet can come in handy. We are going to look at what is Padlet, some of its features, how can it be used to increase learner achievement, why it is an important tool to use as part of a digitally rich learning environment, how is it applied most effectively, and what are the contextual limitations, obstacles, or requirements for its use in the Caribbean. So let's begin. What is Padlet? Let's listen.
Padlet is a digital pinboard that lets you gather a variety of objects such as text posts, pictures, video clips, audio files, web links, and many more. The essence of a Padlet is to provide a place from where people can work on a project in a fun, easy, and interactive way. You can start using Padlet by signing up for a free account. The website can be accessed at www.padlet.com. You can also search Padlet to download the Android and iOS app to get started.
Padlet is easy and intuitive. You can add posts with one click, copy and paste, or drag and drop, and it works the way your mind works, with sight, sound, and touch. It is inclusive because people of all ages, skill levels, and abilities can use Padlet. It's collaborative. An unlimited amount of people can be invited to work with you on shared projects, assignments, and activities. It's quite flexible. Add any file type you wish, organize however you want, and make it as public or as private as you desire. It's portable because it's available on iOS, Android, and Kindle devices. It's beautiful. There are enough options that you can add your personal touch, but won't be overwhelmed by customization menus. It's private and secure. Padlets can be made viewable only to a selected group of people. Data is transferred via secure sockets layers. Regular security and vulnerability testing is done, and all pages are encrypted. It's supportive. The support account shows you how to use the software, and if you prefer to interact with people, you can email them at hello@padlet.com. Padlet can be used to increase learner achievement in a number of ways, some of which are as a live question bank where students ask questions during the lesson. Students can use it as a portfolio where they display their best work, articles, and research on a topic all in one place. A Padlet wall can be used for students to create various concept maps, thinking maps, or mind maps. And students can use Padlet for sharing their reflections on what they have learned and what they need help with. It can be used to let your students answer some important exit ticket questions. Classroom Padlet walls can be used as an open space where students engage in group discussions and interactive exchange of ideas. It can be used as a brainstorming tool. Create a Padlet wall for the whole class where they can collect and share ideas about a given topic. Aggregate links and other multimedia resources relevant for students' learning and post them on the classroom wall for everyone to check. Padlet, being an innovative technology tool, not only have the potential to evolve pedagogical practice, but also completely transform entire learning environments. When technology is leveraged with a very strategic vision and change management plan, the result can be revolutionary. What digitally rich learning environments are and could be paints a complex picture. UNESCO's Institute for Information Technology has evaluated the degree to which technology has been integrated in an education system by applying Morrell's matrix, a model that proposes an education system moves between four distinct phases: emerging, applying, integrating, and transforming. UNESCO 2003. A given learning environment or education system can be mapped onto the matrix by being evaluated on various dimensions such as content, pedagogy, curriculum, etc., as can be seen in the table. The first three stages represent learning environments using technology to evolve, using technology at varying degrees as a means to make advances towards more digitally rich 21st century learning environment. Schools that seek a more holistic change and dramatically overhaul the existing environment have leveraged technology to completely transform, where all elements of the learning environment become new as they drive towards this new vision. Learning environments going beyond using technology to move in the direction of the 21st century, to reinvent the fundamental model that drives their organization of learning and teaching, transcends transformation through technology, because technology is not used as a lever, but rather used to appropriately fill in the methods and approaches in their redesign. Padlet is one such technology tool and can be utilized in the three different types of learning environments: face-to-face, online, and blended. To ensure the most effective application of Padlet, ensure that the technology is organized and ready for use ahead of time. Always have an alternative plan that is not technology driven. Ensure that the technology is aligned with the learning goals and serves a purpose supportive of that goal. Establish acceptable use policy from the beginning and communicate these expectations to students. Create a student tech support team that is diligent, helpful, and encouraging and can help troubleshoot when issues arise. Utilize the technology in creative, powerful ways, including videos, music, programs, online communications or blogs, and more. Encourage students in digital citizenship activities. Some contextual limitations, obstacles, and requirements for the use of Padlet in the Caribbean are: organizational understanding of issues surrounding information communication technology in education is low. In-service teaching professional development relies on pull-out workshops which produce limited change in classroom practice. Participation in technology-focused teacher professional development falls short of goals. Teacher professional development models tend to teach information communication technology skills separately from pedagogical skills. Pre-service teacher education does not provide adequate introduction to information communication technology and does not address use of this technology to support teaching and learning. Support for integration of information communication technology across the curriculum has not influenced teachers' activities. We have seen that Padlet is a Web 2.0 tool that can be used in all three types of learning environment to increase learner achievement. Due to its diverse features, it has the potential to transform and even reinvent the model that drives teaching and learning. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my presentation on Padlet, a Web 2.0 tool for interaction and collaboration.